All right, everyone. So welcome to our marketing meeting. I tasked all of you with coming up with cool marketing ideas for our Instagram. So does anyone have any ideas?
Yes, I was thinking a song. Actually, I've got it right here.
Game of apps, grades 6 to 12. Learn how to develop apps. The program lasts 12 weeks. Register now. Don't forget or else you will regret.
Yeah, so that's just the first part. So, what do you think?
Yeah, that was kind of cool. We don't really do music here, but if you work on your skills a bit, maybe we can talk about it later.
Yeah, I have no idea what Maddie's on about.
Maddie keeps pitching songs regardless of what the assignment is.
All right, so how about this? A song.
For the Game of Apps winner announcement, I don't think a song works for a promo poster.
Don't you dare play that song.
I guess it just kind of feels like I have to make a song because I've got so much to live up to. Because, you see, Ed Sheeran's my biological dad.
What year is it?
No way. Oh my god, I love Ed Sheeran.
What? Nobody likes Ed Sheeran.
Well, I thought Photograph was fine.
It feels like I'll never live up to the pressure, the social expectations to be just like, well, Ed.
You know what? You can take the song that you pitched, and then we can use it for the Instagram post.
Why?
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Thank you so much. I'm gonna make you proud.